There, I think we're going. Are we good?
Of course, as soon as I try to...
As soon as you got that going. Okay, so we're going to talk real quick. I'm at the Mr. Floor showroom. What's the address here?
3828 West Oakton Street in Skokie, Illinois.
There you go. So stop by anytime and just pound on the door. Aaron will let you in.
I'll try.
So they got a lot of cool stuff here. One of the things I want to go over real quick is the laminate flooring versus a vinyl flooring. And can you kind of cover what the two are and where the best uses are?
Sure. So, honestly, laminate flooring's been around for a very long time, and laminate, what laminate is a picture of wood. Okay, and the challenges when you come to laminate is when it comes in contact with water, because laminate has a MDF core or a medium density core, which ends up becoming like a sponge with water.
And it blows up.
And
right?
it blows up. So the other thing when you deal with laminates is if you have to replace it or do a repair, laminates a lot of times are here today, gone tomorrow. So trying to find it to repair it, it never works.
Right.
We are very, very comfortable and really like a luxury vinyl. This is an engineered luxury vinyl. We actually installed this at the station a year and a half ago, I believe.
Yeah. And it still looks like
it looks great. We were there today.
unbelievable.
So this is 100% waterproof. It comes with an acoustical barrier for soundproofing, as well as a waterproof core and a 20 mil wear layer of vinyl on the top. It gets clicked in. We can put this in. We put it in everywhere, but a lot of times in basements. We put it in first floors. A lot of condos are using this now. A lot of apartment buildings are using it
Right, and that's their main floor throughout the entire space is all luxury vinyl.
It's all luxury vinyl because you could use it in kitchens and bathrooms wherever you want.
Right.
And
if you run it through the family room bedrooms, you can always just throw down an area rug.
Absolutely.
And don't talk about too much carpet with Igor.
No.
Because Igor's allergic to carpet.
Yes, he is. We're not talking about carpet.
Right.
The nice thing is also the luxury vinyl, you have options between wood looks and also tile looks.
So you can do a ceramic tile look
Correct.
in your vinyl.
Correct. And we did an application where we had to have a ADA bathroom, but they wanted a different look. And what we did is we actually started at that bathroom and click them together.
Oh, look at that.
So,
That's sweet. And then it's nice and even.
So, okay, and you can do that once.
Once.
Why? Because every other time you want to transition it,
Yeah.
it has to line up with that locking mechanism.
Oh, so as long as that locking mechanism is at that door threshold.
Exactly.
You're
So
good.
because we had one ADA bathroom, we had to lock it in there. That was our starting point for the entire project.
Excellent.
So-
All right. Well, cool. I think we're about at our time limit here, but Aaron from Mr. Floor, and I appreciate it. Stay tuned. We're going to have a few more of these coming up here shortly.
Thank you very much.
Watching Mighty House. Thanks, buddy.
Bye.